Introducing the Terrassa Matte Black Freestanding Bath by luxury British bath icon Victoria and Albert. Renowned the world over for creating beautiful freestanding baths and basins, VNA combines the best in British design with sound South African manufacturing. The Terrassa bath has a sleek modern look with its slim, tall sides that reach upwards. And this version with its matte black facade will really anchor a space and add great contrast to an otherwise all-white bathroom. There is also a matching black countertop basin available in the range in either a gloss or matte finish. As with all Victoria and Albert baths, the Terrassa Matte Black Freestanding Bath is molded out of VNA's unique Quarrycast, a trademarked compound that is a blend of volcanic limestone with high-performance resins. Together, they form a complex 3D matrix that delivers the signature VNA look and feel of velvety smoothness and warmth, underpinned with unrivaled durability, insulation, as well as extraordinary heat retention. Black is a great way to give off a sophisticated and elegant look, so think the Terrassa Matte Black Freestanding Bath, if that's the bathroom look you're after. Shop it online or in-store at Italtile.